Hey everybody, it's Chrissy from Eartha G. I wanted to show you all how to work a sliding knot cord. These are leather cords that I sell. I've knotted them for you so that you can use them on a pendant, and you can make them whatever length you want. These are made with a 36-inch length of leather, so at their longest they're going to be, I don't know, maybe 34 inches, maybe 32. And at their shortest they're probably going to be, God, I don't know, about 18. Anyway, to adjust the length in this, they will come something like this when I send them to you. To make it longer, you want to grab, alright, to make it longer, take it like this, grab a single end where it's not doubled and pull the knot away from the single end. And then you switch to the other side and do the same thing to the other side, and the knot will slide along the length of it. And you got to play with them a little bit, but you see that just made it that much longer. Now to make it shorter, grab the knot and you're going to grab one of the two strands where it's doubled. You're not going to know which one because you won't be able to tell. One is fixed and one will slide. But grab the knot, hold on to the knot, and then pull. I think I got the fixed one. Pull one of these two. Yeah, that was the fixed one, so this is the one that slides. And pull that away, and you can go to the other side, and the other side will slide on the other part. So that just made this whole cord shorter. So now, to put it on a pendant, people never know this. You take the end where it's not doubled. This is the doubled end. This is the single end. Take the single end and fold it upon itself. Now here's, I've got a pendant. You've got to have one with a bail that's going to hold this. I think it's 4mm wide leather. Fold it and stick it through your pendant bail. There we go. You only need it to run it through like an inch or two. Now take your other end and loop it through, if I can do it, that part. And then just grab your pendant and pull it. There go my dogs. And now your pendant is on the cord. Okay? Hope that helps.